ARISD 32 PCS Auto Body Paintless Dent Removal Tools Kit Glue Gun Dent Lifter Bridge Puller Set for car hail damage and door dings repair. So easy to operate, tools coming with detailed repair steps. Introduction for operate, it makes the dent removal process so easy, efficient and safe to pop out dents, repair door ding and hail damages on the metal surface such as auto, motorcycle, refrigerator, washing machine, etc.No damage at the original paint. Widely used, these paintless dent removal tools kit, not only good for professional auto repair people using it shop, but also suitable for family people. Paintless dent repair. Save time and cost. Instead of spending hundreds of money in body shops, our paintless dent removal tools kit can help you repair your cars by yourself for many times, so it can save a lot of money for you compared with the auto body shops. Perfect tool kit, most pro and comprehensive paintless dent removal tools kit, totally has 32 PCS, including all the classic and popular tools. 100% quality service, no chemicals or other toxic material are used in the process. You can return back to Amazon and take back your money. If meet any quality problem, no worry about waste the money. Click the link in the description to get this product.